Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, compass. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.